Best chisel sets for woodworking. Chisels are metal hand tools with either a straight or beveled edge that have been a staple of woodworking for thousands of years. They are employed to remove extra wood, create complex wood joints, and carve out unique designs. Fine furniture must be crafted using wood chisels, thus every professional woodworker should have a good pair on hand. A thorough buying guide is also provided below to further assist you in understanding chisel sets for woodworking. There are many products available to choose the best chisel sets for woodworking, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best chisel sets for woodworking from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Rex Betty 10PC Premium Wood Chisel Set. Rex Betty 10PC Premium Wood Chisel Set would be a wonderful option for taking on simple home repairs or your very first woodworking project. It comes with 2 carpenter pencils, a carrying box, a sharpening stone, a honing guide, and 6 chisels ranging in size from 14 inches to 112 inches. The 6 chisels are of acceptable quality, and the size range is sufficient, ranging from 6 mm, useful for getting into tight shoulders, such as when making a tenon, to 30 mm, ideal for such tasks as flattening out the cheek of the tenon. The rubber grip on the chisels makes them comfortable to use in the hand, which is great for tough carpentry like building a backyard shed. Metal striking caps are attached to the toughened plastic handles to make them more resistant to regular malleting. Each chisel has a metal striking plate on the bottom, which leads us to believe that they were made to withstand blows from a metal hammer. Number 2. Hurricane 4 Pieces Wood Chisel Set CRV Construction. This traditional 4-piece set from Hurricane might be ideal for the craftsperson working on a tight budget. The vanadium steel blades are sharp and heat-treated for durability in sizes of 1/4, a half, 3/4, and 1 inch. Surprisingly sharp right out of the package, the chisels kept their sharpness. Additionally, they include a surface layer of lacquer that has been prepared to lubricate and preserve the blades. The nail bag is intended to be used to transport this chisel set. The chisels come with 4 plastic safety caps to shield the blades while not in use, despite the lack of a storage case. A sharpening tool is also missing from the set. Given the extremely affordable pricing, these restrictions shouldn't come as a surprise. Number 3. Grebst Professional Wood Chisel Tool Set. Grebst Professional Wood Chisel Set can be a fantastic place to start for those prepared to try their hand at exquisite woodworking. It comes in 4 sizes, 1/4 inch, 12 inches, 34 inches, and 1 inch, all of which, despite being very short, are adequate for paring duties. For protection, each chisel is packaged separately, has its guard, and is supplied with a zippered carrying bag. The chrome vanadium steel (CRV) blade edges have a respectable polish. They have a micro bevel, are extremely sharp, and are gently lubricated. An optimal blend of strength and comfort is achieved by balancing the blade's weight with a lightweight beechwood handle and a stainless steel hoop. The set is a wonderful value and a great introduction to the trade, even though the chisels don't seem to be the most lasting tools on the market. Number 4. Stanley Chisel Set. First impressions aren't always accurate. Without even a shipping box, Stanley Chisel Set arrived in normal plastic packaging, raising questions about the equipment's quality and condition. And soon away, we saw a variety of finishes and even a sizable chip in one chisel, perhaps as a result of improper shipping. In fact, the chisels became our go-to tool for creating drawer slide notches as we were building a new kitchen. Sizes range from 12, 34, and 1 inch, all measuring 734 inches in length, just long enough to be carried around in a bag, but not too short to be used for paring. These chisels were created to be simple to hold, manage, and use thanks to the combination of the carbon steel blades and the plush black polypropylene handles. Overall, we discovered that they were excellent for both fine and rough woodworking, truly all-purpose chisels. Number 5. Narex 853053 Set of 6. Premium chisel manufacturer Narex is adored by woodworkers all over the world. They are produced at a facility owned by the corporation in the Czech Republic, guaranteeing a consistently high level of quality. They are comparable to Stanley chisels, and many customers would choose them over Irwin marples, another classic in the world of carpentry. A useful wooden box is included with the set. The steel is of high quality and offers the functionality that has been synonymous with this brand. The fact that this set is at the lower end of their product range merely proves how serious they are about chisels. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.